Welcome to another episode of Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel we bring you guys a variety of tech-related content. If this is your first time here, be sure you subscribe and hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when new content is being released. Today's video we're going to take a look at my latest acquisition, a 27-inch 5K iMac, and I'm going to show you how to save some money by doing your own memory upgrade. Alright guys, so I'm at Apple's website, and like I said, I just picked up the 5K 27-inch iMac. And as you see here, it comes in 3 flavors. I opted for this one at $22.99. Now, Best Buy does price match, and it happened to be a sale going on, and I did get it for $2,099. So I saved $200, and I'm going to show you how I put that $200 to use and why. Let's take a closer look at the specs though. It comes with a 3.8 gigahertz quad-core 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 8 gig of RAM, configurable up to 64 gig, 2 terabyte Fusion drive. Now, I wasn't thrilled about having a Fusion drive, and if you don't know what a Fusion drive is, it's a combination of part SSD and part hard disk drive. Typically, more frequently used files are stored on the SSD portion of the Fusion drive, hence giving the user quicker access to these files. This is usually managed by the operating system. I went with it because I couldn't justify Apple wanting $1,400 to go from a 2 terabyte Fusion drive to a full 2 terabyte SSD drive. What I do like about this system is it has a Radeon Pro 580 graphics card with 8 gig onboard memory, and that's going to help my video processing and rendering tremendously. My current driver is a 21-inch 2012 iMac, which is really done a good job considering it's 7 years old. I think I did a memory upgrade along the way. It came with 4 and I think I upped it to 8, but it's really starting to struggle with the video rendering, so it's time. That being said, I went and I got this system. It also comes with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports and obviously the Retina 5K display, 5120 by 2880 pixels. Again, it's $22.99 regularly. I did get it for $20.99. Let's take a look at what I did with that extra $200. So if you can see here, there are tons of upgrades you can do to the system. Let's focus on this memory section. So it comes with the 8 gig 24 megahertz DDR4 RAM. And if you want to upgrade that to 32 gig, Apple wants an additional $600. So for that $200 savings, I was able to pick up 32 gig upgrade in the format of 2 16 gig chips, 2400 megahertz DDR4 OWC on Amazon for the price of $244. So I saved $200 for $244 instead of $600. I am now at 40 gig. Well, I will be at 40 gig. I'm going to show you later on in this video how to do that upgrade yourself and how simple it really is. And you can see here for $600, you're not even getting to the 40. They're replacing the 8 gig and just giving you 32 gig. So that's the purpose of this video, guys. And just real quick, if you look down here at the storage options, to go from the 2 terabyte Fusion drive to a 2 terabyte SSD drive, you're looking at an additional $1,400. So like I said, I couldn't justify that, but this machine compared to my current daily driver is going to be a world of difference. Let's get to the memory upgrade. All right, guys, I have the iMac laying face down on a soft blanket. I also kept the original packing on as well to protect the display. Just above the power port on the 27-inch iMac, there is a little button that ejects this door panel right here. You can see the air vents here. The memory is accessible behind the removable door panel. So to perform the upgrade, it's pretty simple. I'm just using a paper clip to push down on the button in the power port area, and you see that the removable door pops open. I'm going to remove the door and place it aside for now. Inside are the memory chips. There are 2 release tabs on the sides. Gently push these tabs outward and the memory holder pops up. There are 2 pre-installed chips and 2 additional available slots. I'm going to install the OWC memory with the shorter side on the left. Insert the first chip in the open slot and gently press down until it locks into place. Next, repeat this same procedure with the second memory chip. Once both chips are seated, push down on the clips to lock the entire module back into place. Finally, snap the removable door back into position. So it's that simple to do a RAM upgrade on a 27-inch iMac. If you thought this video was helpful and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And use those Amazon affiliate links. It doesn't change your price, but it does help out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, I thank you for watching. See you next time.